Do a nice clean flush cut. Look at that, guys. It cuts right through that, no problem. Doesn't even... Hi guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. This evening we're going a little off topic, but not far, because everything we do around the farm, it requires equipment. We were asked to review the Saker mini electric 20 volt chainsaw. So we're gonna open the box up, take a look at it. I haven't even seen it yet, so you and I are gonna take a look at it together. Oh, the cat's coming to join us. All right, so what we got in this box is a, let's see, that's the instruction manual. We have a little charger, a little wrench, some bar oil, small screwdriver. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this looks like the battery pack. Saker 20 volt max 1.5 amp battery pack. Okay. All right. We have the little electric chainsaw here. All right. Let me scoot the box out of the way. Let's see what we got. So it looks like it has a little wrist strap. Okay. They market it for you know, the lighter weight audiences that don't want to carry around a heavyweight chainsaw, something small and convenient they can just do small jobs with around the farm or backyard. It's got a trigger guard on here. Okay, looks pretty sturdy. I think if it connected down to here, it might make it a little bit more sturdy, but I think it'll be all right. You have, so that's one safety, okay, from pushing in the trigger. You have this side safety right here, okay. So you have to depress that button and then push the trigger down, okay? Without that, trigger's nice and locked, nice and safe. Okay, you have a chain guard right here, okay? It's spring assisted. What else we got on here? Says do not cut wood which is more than 4 inches. Do not overpress the machine when cutting on the wood. So make sure your chain is sharp. When the machine is not used for a long time, please fully charge and then store the battery. So it's saying make sure the battery's charged. Don't leave it just plugged in though, because that'll mess up the battery. All right. Well, let's put the battery in and see if it comes charged. Okay, battery's on. Seems like it has pretty good power. Not bad, guys. I've never used a electric chainsaw this small, but this will be a first. So what we are going to do is we are going to test it out and see how it does. We have a couple of projects we're going to do, and let's give it a try. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we're going to test it out on this cedar branch here. Okay, it's growing a little bit too close to the house, and we're going to get it trimmed up. Let's see how it does. Not bad. Cuts through pretty clean. I think it can handle a little bit bigger of a branch. Let's try it out. All right, guys. Not bad. So the trigger guard comes up really nicely. Okay, the spring assist, it really helps. Okay, we're going to do the top of the face cut. Look at that, guys. It does pretty darn good. Nice clean face. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna test it out on this hardwood here. This is a dead black oak. All right, let's try her out. Not bad. It's cutting through pretty even. It did pretty good. Oh, I think we need to charge the battery. All right, guys. So the battery's fully charged. We're gonna cut down a little cedar tree here. It's getting too close to the house, and we got some blackberries to take care of. So we'll get started. Looks pretty good. Get these blackberries out of my way. All right, let's get this down now. I don't want to poke myself on the blackberries. All right. Here we go, guys. Look at that, nice clean cut. Now I'm gonna flush it. Do a nice clean flush cut. Look at that, guys. It cuts right through that, no problem. Doesn't even slow down. That's beautiful. Now what we'll do, we'll come through, we'll get the branches taken off. Have some nice little kindling for next season. All right, start here. Look at that. Nice little pieces of firewood all cut up. All right, guys. Well, we tested it out on both hardwood and softwood. It did pretty darn good. The battery did die on my last cut. Okay, 20 volt. 1.5 amp. It probably didn't come fully charged, so we will give her a charge and see how much she can cut through after it's a full charge. I'd say it did pretty good though. So the charge port on here is right at the top of the battery. If you can see right here, okay, and you just take the plug it in. Okay, they say bring it to a full charge, then unplug it. Don't just leave it plugged in. It will kill the battery. And this is again the Saker mini electric chainsaw. You know, we'll use it around the farm. We have a lot more projects that we're going to be completing, and I'd say I'd recommend this for either someone that can't carry a heavier chainsaw, someone that just has quick projects going on, or just someone that, you know, doesn't have a lot of projects going on and just wants a quick tool to be able to grab it and go and get something knocked out. I'll definitely keep it maybe on the quad or something, you know, be able to cut branches, riding on the trail, something like that. Thank you for joining us today on Kirshner Farmstead. I know this isn't what we normally post, but this company reached out to us, and so we figured we'd give them an opportunity and do a review on their tool. Worked pretty darn good. All right, guys. Well, you have a good night, and God bless. Bye.